Merry Christmas, everybody. 12/23/2019. ITCI. The power of using call charts is what I can say. We were down here at $3.66, and now we're up here toward $22. Intraday, ITCI. This is what the call chart looks like. Now, what I am going to do is bring up a 5-year chart, and they had a release, but we, as a market maker, we did a scan right away and we found it immediately. And this is what you can expect, because this is what we know that you want. The opportunity came to us, and now we're here to share it with you and make money with you in your option trading. There are days like this. So basically, we can see where we hit the highs. Now let's go over to the daily chart. Daily chart. We do know that the previous close was $12.44. They came out with an FDA update for schizophrenia and bipolar and a combination of other drugs. So basically, there are going to be very favorable outcome with the report as we see it. So when we get these opportunities, but let's go back over here more importantly. Let's go back over to this right over here on 11/2 of 2015, we were at 59.80, and then that low then was 47.24. And we're currently at 43.56, about a 220% gain. I can tell you, once these things get going with the FDA like they do and whatnot, they have a tendency of going. So when we go back over here to the date on 9/1 of 2016, that high was $45. And that low back then on 9/1 was exactly $39. So the high was right here, and basically 45.20, and we're printing right up here right now, right around 43 and some change as we speak, 41 and some change. So the release hit, and our platform came up with the trade, and then we dispatch it to people like you that are in our live trading room, and that's what we do. So right now we're printing at $41 is what we're printing at on ITCI with a 5-year chart. You can see it. We're approaching these highs. Once they get going, and the way that the euphoric move can continue to run higher, it's very possible that it can. But the volatility from the announcement is always to sell the high end first. So that way, that's the cheapest side of the market by using the put side at the high. You already have the call side of the market. So 5-year chart, this is going to be today's candle. And we're going to approach 9/1 as 16 highs right here at 45.20. And then we'll continue to see what happens thereafter. There is a lot of news to absorb. It's jumping 181%. At that time, it was only at 34.96, so it went up considerably higher from that point in time, from the time that we could only buy the $22 calls in the money, the $22 call chart behind you, because they didn't go out any further than that January 17th of 2020. So right now we are at 42 and some change. So once again, it's the biggest trade. Santa Claus, look at that. If it's still in the video, here's the call chart. take the free 5-day trial. Start 2020 in the right way, the best way, with the money in the pocket. Listen, go ahead and join that free 5-day trial, and you can see all the platforms and you can see all the entries and the exits. That's what you want. Show me the money.